Buongiorno, today I'll be making a cake, a pineapple cake, Italian style. I'll start by telling you what I'm going to be using in terms of equipment. I've got a little tray that I brought back from Sicily, but you can use any plate. And I will be using a baking tin with a clip, but without the base. I've got a couple of tins of pineapple rings. I will be removing the juice from one. A box of sponge fingers, the ones with the sugar on top. I'll dip them in the juice and I'll lay them inside the tin. I will lay them with the sugary bit facing upwards. So the base is all covered. I'm going to add the rest of the juice. And you can be messy here, it doesn't have to be precise, as long as you get a nice solid base. Use the rings whole and start putting them around the tin using the biscuits as a way to wedge them in. Right, here is my last piece to finish the sides. I just opened a second tin of pineapple rings. So this part is done and we'll put it on one side. I have 8 grams of gelatin leaves which I will be cutting into little pieces. Now, I should be adding a little water, but as I have some of the juice from the pineapple, I'm going to deviate and I'll add a little bit of this lovely pineapple juice and I'll put it in the microwave for a minute at a time until it is fully dissolved. I have some fresh double cream here, 300 grams, and I'm going to pour it in a largish bowl.
Waste not, want not.
And using an electric whisk, I will start whipping it. Start gently and increase the speed progressively. The gelatin leaves were in the microwave for 40 seconds. I'm going to add them to my cream, which has been whipped, and do leave them for 10-15 seconds before you do that, just to give them enough time to cool down. And mix it and fold it together. Chop some of the pineapple using a knife again into little pieces. I will do them in approximately 1 centimeter or even smaller. This is gonna go in the mix for extra crunchiness. I will be adding 450 grams of mango, papaya and passion fruit yogurt. You can choose any yogurt. I was actually looking for pineapple yogurt, but I could not find any, so I compromised with this one. And keep folding. And we will pour it in the middle of our cake to be. I'm using a potato peeler to make my pineapple nice and round. A little tip there. I have peeled a pineapple which I'm going to slice in maybe 1 centimeter slices using a bread knife, so be very careful because they're very sharp. Holding a little paring knife on an angle, try and remove the bit in the middle, which is a little bit tougher. Turn it around to ensure that also you remove some from the other side. Or if you can't be bothered, just use another tin of pineapple slices. I have arranged the fresh pineapple and sliced it. You use whatever pattern you like. I have done my best to make it look a bit like a starfish maybe. And I will be adding some icing sugar. This is optional, it's entirely up to you if you do or if you don't, but I think it will make it look a little bit prettier. It's almost ready. It will go in the fridge for either 5 or 6 hours or in the freezer for a couple of hours. I will be putting mine in the freezer for a couple of hours so that I can try it sooner. See you in a couple of hours. Two hours have gone by in the freezer and it's nice and hard. First, we're going to use a palette knife and gently, without scratching our tin, loosen up the sides. And clip the tin gently and remove it. Isn't that beautiful? Okay. Actually, I'm very pleased. It's a lot more beautiful than I thought it would be. It is all in one piece. I'm going to be testing a little slice, although we will be eating this tomorrow, but I will taste a little slice for the benefit of the video. It's nice and firm.
Looks good.
And
Let's have a look in the middle. Oh, look.
you can see the little biscuits.
Yeah.
Yeah, exciting. Let's try some. Don't worry, Julie, I'll let you try some as well.
Oh, yeah.
That is really nice. I'm not just saying, absolutely delightful and delicious. I better stop, but I'll have another piece before Julie starts. And then it will be all gone. Okay. What can I say? Lovely. Definitely try it. And again, if you're enjoying what I'm doing, please do subscribe. Ciao ciao for now, and until next time, have a good evening. Bye.